So back again, viewing this 3-bedroom semi-detached property that falls within my strategy, which is looking for rundown properties that requires a lot of work, which is the BRR. This property is quite old. It's got this very old carpet, as you can see. The walls needs to be changed as well. This property gets skimmed. This doesn't look like a kitchen. A new kitchen will need to be fitted into this property. When you see old carpet like this, you know it's been lived in for a very long time. Something that made me happy about this property was the fact that it had a massive back garden, which is a potential to add an extension. By adding an extension to a property, you'd end up forcing capital appreciation within the area, making it possible to carry more cash for the resale or when you refinance it, by having a better and higher cash at the end of the refurb, which means we have enough money to pay back our investors and we have enough cash to recycle the process and carry on over and over again, which is why the BRR strategy is very, very good for majority of the property investors around the UK. As you can see, this property will require a lot of work, and this room looks like something from the movie of Saw. I'm going to put an offer on this property and see what the numbers are saying. Let's go.